Hi, so this past week I didn't actually do any coding this week, but what I did is I met with Jeremy and Nico and we started going over what screens we needed so that we can finalize the design of all the screen scaffolding. So over here on the left is a drawing we did during class when we met up, and we were deciding what screens go where and what are all the possible screens that we can get to from within the app. And then once we did that, we grouped together screens that we thought can be coded with a single like parent screen. For instance, we have the detail view for view event and view task. We felt that they can both fall under one screen called detail view that will display the different type of either event or task based on what's currently like being viewed at the time. So once we did all that, then I made a refined drawing showing the 5 main screens that the app can go through and kind of their navigation between them. So for instance, we have the credential screen at the top. So from there you log in and you're sent to the root screen. And from the root screen you can access the settings page to the right over here. And from settings you can actually log out and be sent back to the login screen. And then back in root, within the calendar you can select one of the either events or tasks, and when you click on it you're sent to a detail view for that event or task, or you can either edit one of those or delete them, and from this view you can edit, delete, and create new tasks. So back to this screen, with grouping them, say for login, sign up, and forgot, we decided that we're going to go with a single screen rather than having 3 separate screens. And back here I can kind of explain how that works. So here's the sign in screen or login screen, and when the user clicks on, say, forgot password right here, the password text box will fade away, and then this bottom portion right here will fade away, and these 2 icons or 3 icons here will animate up. And so rather than changing screens, it is the same screen, we just have it animate between the different states. So the same goes for the sign up screen as well. And I got together with them so that we can finalize this design. So this is our finalized design for our credentials. And lastly, I have over here on the right, just to show that I have the app, the current feature branch checked out onto my phone and working. Here's an example of it. So we have this main screen here, which is kind of like a dummy screen that has just icons to access each page. So we got access to the root here, we got access to the login screen, the details screen, modify, and settings. And so from root we can actually kind of demonstrate what's going on here. So you can access the settings from root and log out. You can't actually log out yet, but you can access detail and modify. And I think that's all I have. So yeah, thanks.